starting off with pre-pooing my hair first before I put in the Bentonite clay mask. I'm going to take my hair out of my bun, and you guys are going to see my hair is going to look really dry and just matted and crusty. It's an old wash and go, so you know it needs some tender love and care right now. After I take my hair down, I'm going to separate it into 4 sections and begin to apply my pre-poo of choice. Today I'm going to be using this African Pride pre-shampoo treatment as my pre-poo of choice. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm splitting my hair into 4 sections, and in each 4 sections I'm going to start off with wetting my hair with the water first, and then I'm going to add the pre-shampoo treatment on top. In each of the 4 sections I make sure to split my hair into subsections so that I can make sure that the pre-shampoo treatment is completely dispersed throughout every strand of my hair. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after I'm done completely applying the pre-shampoo treatment. My hair is pretty much detangled and moisturized from this point, so applying the bentonite clay won't be as hard as it would have been if I did not do a pre-poo treatment. Splitting my hair back up into 2 twists so that I can apply a plastic cap and leave this in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's time for me to rinse out the pre-poo. I will only be rinsing this out with warm water. I will not be shampooing my hair after I rinse this out. about to apply the Bentonite clay mask on my hair. I take a generous amount and I just slather it on my hair. And I make sure that I do split it in subsections as well, just to make sure, like I said, I want it on every single strand. I want it on my scalp, everything, because this right here is going to remove toxins and detoxify the hair and the scalp. Look at the definition that this gave me. Like, my hair was defined before, but this has every single curl on my head defined. Like, how does that even work? Like, look at that. Wow. I do make sure that I put it on my edges, but not just on my edges. Like, I kind of put it on my face as well, because that part, for some people who use like gels and edge controls a lot, that area can get kind of clogged up with, you know, oils and dirt easier than any other area. I know that if I don't clean my hair after a certain amount of time, that area will break out. I will get bumps and things like that, because I do use edge control and sometimes I use gel. Look at that definite, oh my goodness. If you haven't tried Bentonite clay, please try it. Like, I don't know why you haven't tried it yet. If y'all never tried it before, try it. It's probably the reason, it's probably gonna be the one thing that your hair probably needed. You probably had a problem with your hair and you don't even know that all you needed to do was a Bentonite clay mask and your hair is reset. I love doing this Bentonite clay mask treatment at least twice a year, so that's every 6 months. But like I said, if in between that time I'm feeling like, you know, I don't know what's going on with my hair, or if I feel like it's too much buildup to the point where shampoo is not, you know, getting it all out, then I will definitely resort to doing a Bentonite clay mask. It's just completely crazy how much definition I have with this, using this. Like, you would never think that this would give you that much definition. Okay, so now I'm rinsing out the Bentonite clay mask and I'm using warm water again. I know some people use cool water to do certain things, but I just hate showering in cold water, and I feel like my cuticles on my hair open up more when I have warmer water. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just rinsing out the Bentonite clay mask with warm water, and you want to make sure you get all of that clay out your hair when you do this, or if you do try this. And the definition is still there even after I rinse it out. Every curl is still defined. Every single curl is still defined and completely moisturized. Like, my hair is soft and just clean. Like, it's clean, but not stripped clean. It's so moisturized and so defined. And this is what my hair is looking like after applying all of my styling products. Still super defined, still very moisturized.